Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. Yeah, so if you're keeping yourself abreast what's going on in the United States of America, you would have known that the Donald Trump administration, that they have taken away African History Month. No celebration of it anymore. They don't respect us. They eat us. The people who have contributed and to so much to the world. And even the impact when it comes on to technology and all of these things, but you just got to understand that when people eat you, there's nothing that you can do about it. And this is going to be the first of the series we're going to put out, because we know that most people they do not like things when it's black people, and they don't understand for you to become a genius, for you have to read a lot. But some people don't believe in reading. They just, especially our people, I don't know how them get us like that in this entertainment and the belligerent behavior and all of these things. And when our ancestors are the mother and father of civilization, no, it's not white people. White people, their genes are recessive. The only thing about them is just like how, if you know about the Bible and what they have done, try to overthrow God in heaven, and God chase them out, and that's how they are down here. So if you believe when God same chase out the people them who are part of Satan's army, then you would have believed that these are the offsprings, because when I talk about the epitome of evil, yeah, the ones that may have Neanderthal genes, trust me. So Black History Month is a celebration of excellence and a reminder of resilience. Every February, Black History Month serves as a time to honor, reflect, and educate on the profound contributions and enduring struggles of black people throughout history. It is not just about looking back, it's about acknowledging the truth of systemic oppression, celebrating the undeniable genius of black individuals, and pushing forward for justice and equality. However, history has made it painfully clear: black excellence has always been met with resistance, hatred, and fear. From the arrows of slavery to Jim Crow laws, to redlining, voter suppression, mass incarceration, and modern-day systemic racism, black progress has always been viewed as a threat to white supremacy. But eventually, whenever it topples, they won't be here. But it's all the evil that they have done will be passed on, and their generations will benefit from the evil that they have done. Black progress has been viewed as a threat to white supremacists. But why? Why has there been such deep-seated hatred toward black people? The answer is simple yet disturbing. Because black people has always embodied strength, intelligence, innovation, and resilience in a world that was designed to keep them down. We still fight. We should not be here now. We should have dead. Them should have killed we have extinct we. Remember I said them infect we brothers and sisters in Africa with AIDS and it returned to sender. They create a disease and didn't create a cure because the disease was meant to kill us off. But not knowing that blacks are the dominant race on earth, a modern symbol of black excellence. So to understand black greatness has been met with animosity. So today we're going to start off the series, of black excellence about our, the first black person. So it's going to be a series. So we're not going to overwhelm the audience. Yes, we're not going to try to pretend as if, we're born and growing out of wood. No, we don't. We're American, but we still love our roots. We understand. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Yeah, so it's February 2025. You know that the United States government, led by Donald Trump and his pal Elon Musk and the other South Africans who hate black people with a passion. But there are so many things that our ancestors and our family has created, even that people are benefiting right now. The pyramids that were built in Europe, in Egypt, weren't built by Arabs. They can't build it. It was built by our ancestors, black people. The people who live in Egypt, they are not Africans. They are imposters, murderers. So we as a people, we have been betrayed so many times, and we're still being betrayed even right now by even people that have our youth. So we're going to share some little things about our people as black people, the things that make us great, and these are what they're trying to take away from us, as a people, that we are not great, and want to say that they are superior to us and we are inferior to them. But if you are superior to us and we are inferior, the only thing that they are superior to us in is terrorism, because the black man have never go outside of the realm of trying to find anything to destroy humanity. When we say destroy, to kill other people, all the black people just want to do is live and contribute to society and the world, to the betterment. While the whites are always thinking about how to deceive other people, rob, kill, rape, all kind of crime, criminality that is in their genes. Black people weren't corrupt, until the Europeans came. Africa was the hub for Europe. It's black people that civilized white people. And you could have vexed one bus with us. I tell you that them hide all of these things, and even right here in America, them I tell you, so we benefit from slavery, as if they think that we are some dummies. We know that we're going to be very lucky if we get even 10,000 views or any subscription from this video. So we're going to show you some things about us as a people, that we are great people, black people, although they're trying to try to make us less than them, and we have never tried to compare ourselves with others. The fastest man in the world always be a black person. When it comes on to anything that the black man touches, gold. But we are the most hated people. That their breed is dying off. They say next 50 years the world is going to be brown, and it's because of the black genes. It doesn't matter what they try to do. The only thing they can do is bomb us to oblivion. But guess what? They have got to deal with. It doesn't matter how much money they have. When they leave this world, them soul will speak. And at times, if you dream as a person, you know that is your soul speaking to you. Yes, so, and you have to appreciate that, because that is God himself showing you the light. So, as we continue, we're gonna let you watch a video. Yes, we're gonna show you the things about our people, our ancestors. Just because it's Black History Month, and no one, that the American government, they hate us so much. Donald Trump, what about all those black people who voted for him and the ones that kiss up his ass? I wonder how they feel. But you can't shame the shameless. So we're gonna let you watch some videos to show you some great black people, as this young man, Joshua Beckford, 6 years old, youngest person ever to be accepted in Oxford University in England. There's no university that prestigious than that. So most black people won't watch this video now because it is not entertainment. This is Black History Month. This is on the month I hear with them, so we celebrate it. And even that them want to take away from we. MLK birthday, Elon Musk and all those people have to understand who are your enemy. You understand? We as black people, the youth in the black community, need to stop killing each other and realize this is a war not only for the mind, but for the soul and everything to do with black people. We can't look to the Al Sharptons. All of these people, they are traitors to black people. We have to look to people who are positive. You cannot look to black people who are tell us a man can become woman and women can become men. And then a man dress up like woman with false hair and hide him body, and then him a give man blow job, and when man soldier stand up and him want it, him a open up him body. We not them black people, they are them wicked, them worse than the racists them. Once they lie to our people. Cause we are great people. We have people in every race. We have people that are corrupt among us too. Black people. What I right? So this is an expose to show you some great black inventors and educators in the 21st century. Yes, right now. That is, from the 20th century right into the 21st century. So first, we'll let you watch a video and then we'll give you a rundown about some of our black people. You're going to see even a black man, a black doctor, what he has done with a baby. So you watch, take the baby from the womb, cure the baby of illness, and put back the baby inside there. A white baby. It's a black man do that to a white baby. But I'm here to So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Yeah, so to understand why black greatness has been historically met with animosity, you have to look to this youth here, Joshua Beckford, a young genius who shattered expectation and defied every racist stereotype imposed by society. Born in England, Joshua is no ordinary child. By age 6, while most kids were learning their ABC and playing with toys, Joshua was already accepted into Oxford University, studying philosophy and history. Let that sink in. A 6-year-old child excelling in academic institution for centuries excluded blacks from even entering its doors. What are you afraid of? If you claim to you're superior, what are you afraid of? Why you oppress one race of people? His intelligence drive the abilities are a direct contradiction to racist ideology that black people are intellectually inferior. And that is precisely why black brilliance has historically been met with such hostility. The fear of black intelligence from the time of slavery, enslavers knew that an educated black person was a dangerous black person. That is why they thrive on black ignorance. Them love when black people ignorant and just have them and them say, look at the fool, clown. They don't like until you're black and you're strong. Them like until you're black and you're afraid of them. So that is why they made it illegal to teach enslaved Africans how to read and write. An educated mind cannot be controlled, and a free-thinking black person is a direct threat to a racist system built on oppression. The Tulsa Massacre, 1921, a thriving black economic district in Oklahoma, known as Black Wall Street. Remember, them said they don't want nothing to do with black people. Black people say, alright, we're fine, we don't have a problem. We don't live where we live, and we live where we live. So the black people them in Tulsa live better than them. Jealous, bad mind. Because remember, say these are people who have low IQ. We are telling you, we don't care what we want to say. If these people did superior to we, our people, our ancestors, black people, why you burn down them town? Why the government give them turpentine bomb for drop on black people and kill thousands of them? And that was 5 years ago. America know about it. That history hidden. And them would never. Because them control the media. You expect wicked people to change and become good? And them right now are manifest to themselves. Black Wall Street was burned to the ground simply because black people were succeeding. Jealousy. So when Donald Trump tell them say him a go shake up, him a shake up the federal government, and him tell them oh the Spanish and him a deport people, they thought, because they are ignorant, they thought that everything that he was doing was not going to affect them because them white. Now you see some of them a cry, oh them never vote for this. Too bad. You we cry me a river. Nobody sympathize. No, you're not getting no sympathy. You suffer, just you start enjoy your suffering. You love the oppression. I'm sure what he has done in his first term, that he didn't care about you or America. All he cared about was terrorism and power. The assassination of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., a leader who preached equality and justice, was seen as a threat, that he was murdered for daring to challenge white supremacy. And we all like people them where they kill him. All of them where they want him dead. All of them dead. Black people still there. The erasure of black inventors and scholars, many black pioneers have been written out of history, with their contributions stolen or ignored to preserve the myth of white superiority. Myth, the myth. The fastest man in the world always be a black man. Jesse Owens embarrassed Hitler at the Olympics. A mustache. So we have Hitler in America right now. Joshua Beckford represent everything that racists fear. A young black boy, intelligent beyond measure, whose very existence dismantles centuries of lies about black inferiority. Donald Trump and the whole of Donald Trump pitting them can't come to the 6-year-old black boy. Black excellence is unstoppable. Despite centuries of oppression, black people have continuously risen from the mathematical genius of Katherine Johnson, who helped send astronauts to space, to the cultural influence of figures like Maya Angelou, Malcolm X, and the great Marcus Garvey. Them can't take Garvey out of nothing. Garvey are the pioneer. Their man has set this trend for black people, or to fight back. Not physically, but with their mind. Our man who in the army never kill nobody or propagate for murder anyone has been labeled as the most dangerous black man on earth. Marcus Garvey. And he never have an army. Not even bodyguard. Them send out people come shoot him. So this is why Black History Month is not just a celebration, it is a necessity. It serves as a reminder that no matter how hard society has tried to erase, suppress or destroy black achievements, the truth cannot be hidden. Why they hated black people? The hatred toward black people is not random. It is rooted in fear, greed, and the desire to maintain power from slavery to present day. Racism, the goal has always been to keep black people in their place, whether through physical chains, economic oppression, systemic barriers, or terrorism. Terrorism terrorized the black population. Now, white people in America in 2025 are experiencing terrorism from their own government. None of them never know so they may lose them job, because them vote for the orange Jesus. Black labor built entire economies, yet black people were denied the wealth they created. Black innovation has changed the world, yet credit was stolen and opportunities were blocked. Black culture is the heartbeat of modern society, yet it is exploited, appropriated and commodified without respect. The future, breaking the cycle. As we celebrate Black History Month, it is important to remember this is not just about the past, it's about shaping the future. Young black children like Joshua Beckford prove that no amount of oppression can suppress true brilliance. The system may try, but it cannot stop the rise of black excellence. To those who hate black people, who fear black intelligence, who try to erase black history, too bad. We are still here, we are still thriving, and we are not going anywhere. Yes man, those of you who love yourself, whether you're black, brown, yellow, green, blue, or you what, they're taking out the Jamaica Young Police channel. Yeah man, that's the boy, we celebrate and love Black History Month, because black people contribute a lot to this world. And no racist can take that away from us. They want to take us back to when they used to lynch us, cut off the men them genitals because them have some little teely, that teapot, and them grudge the black man for the black man. You know what I'm talking about, eh? So have yourself a beautiful day. This is just an introduction to Black History Month. We know say if we get 1,000 views for it, that's a lot. Because nothing that is positive. Black people don't gravitate to it, but we still have to pass it on still because, and it's a show, if once you reach this far, yeah man, you just type in some boy. You just type what we tell you earlier, and you're going to hear how them rob our ancestors, Jamaica, or Britain become rich. We're not talking just from slavery, from innovation, invention. Our ancestors invented. White people are the epitome of evil. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.